Hi everyone. Today in this video, I will tell you how you can get Udemy courses for free. So you have to search disk Udemy and open the first link that appears. After opening the link, scroll down to the bottom. Here, there are many in-demand courses that are being listed. So let's choose the course Python Programming. After clicking on it, it will provide a link which redirects to the Udemy website, as you can see on your screen. This course is completely free of cost and we will get a lifetime access and a certificate of completion for free. Let me show you other courses as well. Let's choose cybersecurity this time. After clicking on it, we will get a link which will redirect us to the main website. As you can see, we are getting this course for free with a certificate of completion. If you're liking this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. The courses that I've shown you are the ones which are in demand for past couple of days. But if you want to see all the available coupons, then go to the top of the website and click on all coupons option. Here you will get all the available courses for free of cost with a certificate. You can also select a course by category. For example, I want to learn SEO, so I will take this course. As you can see, we are getting this course for free with a certificate of completion. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you do, then please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.